Hello everybody. Let's continue with another episode of trying to prepare for technical interviews. Let's get this one for example. So 1290. Convert binary number in a linked list to integer. Alright, so you have a binary string coded into a list. Should definitely be using Python. Given head, which is a reference node to a singly linked list. The value of each node in the linked list is either 0 or 1. The linked list holds the binary representation of a number. Return the decimal value of the number in the linked list. So we basically need to chain all these. Let's see. What I want to search first is quickly binary to int, and basically you would need a string. So our target is to get a string out of a linked list. Since I haven't worked with linked lists, sadly, at least in Python, I would have to Google it quickly. Loop over linked list. How to traverse a linked list Python. Item next. Yeah. So they suggest a recursive approach. I was thinking maybe there is already functionality about this. Yeah, an iterator maybe. You always need an iter method for the iterator class. Well, I guess we are building our own. Let's see. Let's have a linked list. Linked list equals. Well, I guess I'm not sure how how does a linked list. Never mind. List node. Well, while head. Okay. Node equals head. Let's assign head to a the first element to a variable, while node not none. We would also have our out string out array, or how do you say binary array. Binary array would be appended with node. I'm not sure what I'm not sure actually. Let's see. Python linked list. Let's see how values are. Data val, node, next val. Is it called data val? Singly linked list can be traversed only in only forward directions starting from the first data element. We simply print the value of the next data element by assigning the pointer to the next node of the next node to the current data element. Where are they traversing it? Is not known. Yes, let's do this as well. A bit of sugar, but it kind of looks better, right? Data val, and then next val. I guess we're using that. So this head data val. So while the data. Well, there is data, we are appending, and our node, let's say it current node, equals next val. Oops. Current node next val. And let's, for the sake of it, print our binary array and return some dummy value. I just want to see if that works as intended. I'm not sure about this syntax with the next val and data val. And yeah, there is nothing like this because it was probably defined. Just for the sake of this example. What was this person talking about here? Item, next. Head. I guess maybe it was just the first element. Let's see. Nope. Okay. Next. And what do we get? We get STD. Okay. Current node. So what are we saving here? Every time we're saving basically the whole chain, so we actually want the values only to be saved. This is not the best way to actually work with when learning new stuff. You should actually try and go into the official documentation and see the structure of the data. And I will try next episodes. I'm just kind of worried that we lose a lot of time, and I don't want to keep you guys bored. So I will try to come up with a compromise where we actually do it properly. What we see here is we actually got our array, and since we already have the result in an array form, we can literally make a string out of the binary array and then an integer. And probably it's even possible to just do it like this. I'm not sure. I don't think it is, but just gonna try it anyway. Yeah, okay. Oh no, it was actually the variable is called R. Let's see. Okay. Well, we will convert it to a string first, doesn't matter. So basically get all the values, get them to a string, and then put them into OK. No, it was actually something else, I'm sorry. Yes, we should have another base. First time I'm converting from binary to decimal in Python. What's up with that? I'm not sure. We got the right form of our array, although it was basically in the right form. So let's quickly debug this. Let's print out the string representation of our output array. And string representation does not look like what we wanted. Python. Oh, this is basically because we are not saving those values. Those are integers in this case. I'm assuming we are saving them as single digits or single integers, and then by converting it we don't get what we want here. Still not exactly what I want, to be honest with you. Let's see. Why is this not behaving like I wanted? So we are appending strings. Oops. Let's do it like this. I'm not sure if this is going to work. So I actually want a string representation. Python list string. The join is increase. I'm kind of confused because I think last time we used the same approach and it worked. The join method. String 1. Okay. I guess I have to have was it? Yes, it was because of this, right? So we are joining on an array. Yeah. Okay. So another lesson learned in this case. You cannot really convert an array simply by to a string simply by trying to convert it to a string. I mean, it doesn't really make sense. I just think I used something like this before and it worked. You should join it with an empty string and then it should work. In this case, we can just substitute this like that, and our output should be there. Quickly checking if there is some extra conditions here. So the linked list is not empty. Number of nodes will not exceed 30. That is also good, I guess. And each node value is either 0 or 1. So we know there are like zero edge cases that we should handle. What else do we need to see here is maybe think about if we could do it faster than this or more compact. I don't think there is any. Oh yeah, they actually defined it. Yeah, well, that's what I get for being kind of like blind, right? So always try to see what's written on your what kind of info you're getting beforehand. So yeah, let's just submit it. I think this should pass, and it passed. New things I learned: iterating over list nodes in Python, super easy actually. Just have a single access to the next element via pointers. You don't really have to care about how you type the pointer, just need to know how they're called. Values are stored in val, and that's all, right? And you just loop over it. Yeah, that was this problem. I hope it was useful to you guys. It's kind of messy, but we got it. So yeah, have a good day and see you next time.